There's all these successful insurance agents out there getting tons of leads, tons of money, and then there's you. Maybe you're struggling to find leads, especially with the new FCC ruling that makes buying leads a bit trickier, or maybe you're doing just fine, but is just fine going to cut it. You want to know how to make more money as an insurance agent in 2024. And what if I told you there was a weird way insurance agents are closing more leads? We do it, Cody Askins does it, and tons of other agents are doing it right now. Enter social media marketing. And I'm not talking about running ad campaigns or paying for followers. I'm talking about simply having a social media presence to get leads. You're going to want to watch this video to the end because having a social media strategy in place for 2024 is going to put you one step ahead of everyone else in the insurance game. And if you learned something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. With all that being said, let's get started. But before we do, let's take a step back in time. Before the rise of social media, and even right now for that matter, most agents were getting their leads using time-tested and proven methods. Things like buying leads, grassroots marketing, cold calling, you name it, right? The reason I bring this up is because these methods aren't outdated. They still 100% work. In fact, you should be doing them in conjunction with social media marketing. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, and you certainly don't want to skimp on your marketing methods. So, now that we are on the same page, let's talk shop. In 2006, Facebook was released to the public. At first, it was just a place for people to go and spend their time, share their thoughts, their stories even. But with time, people eventually started to figure out that they could make money with it, build an audience in their niche, get leads, get sales. And the insurance industry is starting to realize that social media should be taken seriously, given the amount of opportunity it brings. You might be thinking, okay, cool, but how's this going to help me? If we're just talking about Facebook alone, and let's say you're a Medicare agent, for example, who is targeting people age 65 or older, 50% of them in the US use Facebook. Your target audience is on social media. You can interact with them, connect with them, and turn them into a lead that will ultimately lead to a sale. Getting started with social media marketing is super easy, but mastering it will take time and dedication. By simply making an account on the platforms you want to build an audience on, you've just begun your social media journey. Of course, it's going to take more than just making an account to be successful on social media. If I was just getting started, here's the advice that I'd give myself. 1, you want a game plan that you can follow day in and day out. Cody Askins and other successful agents in the insurance niche are going to be posting a lot, and you should be too. But I don't want you to go into social media marketing and get overwhelmed. You could start with doing 1 to 2 posts a week, or 3 to 5 posts a week, or even 7 a week if you're comfortable with that. Make it tangible and act upon it. 2, lead into short form video content. Whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, it doesn't matter, use short form video. It's a type of content that will get your audience to stop scrolling and engage with you. If you don't think you're comfortable with being on camera, or maybe you want to know a little bit more about using short form video, I'll link to a really great video that we recently did covering how you can get started with video in the description down below. 3, use graphics as well. It's a bit easier than going on camera and filming yourself, and here's some examples of graphics we like to post. And the best part, you can make all of these using a free tool called Canva. We also have a video on how to design a logo with Canva, and I'll link that for you as well. 4, like, comment, and respond to your audience. It's one thing to post, but once you get engagement, it's time to interact with someone and potentially turn them into a lead. This may be taking the conversation into the direct messages or messenger and getting their contact information to set up a meeting or just get to know them and ask them questions. You can also be on the flip side of this and comment and interact on other people's posts. This is going to be super crucial so you can build rapport and genuine relationships with people you're meeting. And lastly, number 5, be real, be yourself, and be relatable with your audience. Finding a new way to get more leads by starting your social media journey can be intimidating. I get it, it's something brand new and you've never done it before. But don't worry, because if you follow my advice in this video and watch our videos that I've linked in the description, you will be setting yourself up for success on social media as an insurance agent. You're going to be one step ahead of your competition, and you should be excited about that. And for those of you that have stuck around and watched this far, I want to commemorate you. You're going to be successful. And I also want to invite you to have a conversation with us regarding your social media marketing strategy. Whether you're an agent with us or not, we'd be happy to have a conversation with you and consult with you on how you can have a strong social media presence, and maybe even go over some tips that weren't covered in this video. So if you're interested, comment down below and we'll respond on how we can get in touch. And if you already haven't done so, like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.